Hi guys, today's video is about drawing some press of eyes in anime and manga style. I wanted to record a such video because I usually see that a lot of beginner artists draw similar eyes. I also have a such problem, that's why it's an exercise for me too. You know, every object has a shape and eyes also have a shape. I'm trying to sketch some different eyes in this video so you can see how different they can be. All of them based on various shapes, and you will see it later when I will highlight them in red. People usually don't believe me when I'm saying that I love arts which are made by beginner artists. But if we compare some works of pro and noob artists, you can see that some noobs can draw more various types of eyes, hairstyles and other things, or be equal to pro artists. I love when people who don't have a huge experience in drawing don't afraid to draw what they want. I'm not saying that being a pro artist is bad or being a pro artist making you to stop to draw an original arts. No. I mean that when you draw a lot and you have your own style, and it's not good when you have stopped on the one stage and not going further. When artist has a problem named a syndrome of stone face or syndrome of similar faces, it's not always good. Yes, your style may be well known, but we're not talking about popularity now. Even pro artists whom style is popular trying to make their characters' faces different. It's neat to know that people's faces are various, and if you're drawing in anime, manga or cartoon style, you also need to draw their faces different. When you're looking at characters and people, it's more interesting to look at variant faces than those who looks alike. I also have this problem, and eyes of my characters also looks alike. I also have this problem, and eyes of my characters also looks alike. But I'm trying to draw different eyes, even though it doesn't always work out. You can see that my style is very simple and I don't need to work on drawing the eyes a lot. But some people do this and their characters' faces look similar. All I want is encourage artists to paint different eyes and faces and practice more. I hope you liked this video and it helps you. Write me if you want to see more videos about drawing anime eyes. See you in next videos.